Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I created this jigsaw nail design. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to use black as the base, and I'll use my white gel polish to trace out the shape of the face, and I'm going to fill that in, curing the lamp for 30 seconds. Once the gel polish has dried up, I'm going to use my black gel polish to trace out the brows, the cheekbones, and the nose and the jaw area. So we're going to go ahead and cure that in the lamp before I start shading. I'm going to shade the brow area, the forehead, and then the eyeball sockets and jaw. We're going to fill in the eye with black gel polish and fill in the other eye and then cure in the lamp. And guys, this is the finished look. I did the other fingers off camera. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.